In the world of mechanical watchmaking, few brands carry a legacy as bold and visionary as Chronoswiss. Founded in 1983 by the late Gerd R. Lang, this independent Swiss manufacturer dared to go against the quartz tide, and in doing so, became a cornerstone of modern horology. Among Lang's greatest creations came in 1995, the Opus Chronograph, the world's first serially produced skeletonized automatic chronograph. A marvel of transparency, where gears, levers, and wheels performed their intricate ballet in plain sight. Today, under the leadership of Oliver Epstein, Chronoswiss continues this legacy, combining traditional craftsmanship with adventurous modern design. Meet the new Opus Chronograph Dakar edition, a tribute to the warmth and resilience of the desert. Following the bold ultraviolet 30th anniversary model, this new edition embraces earthy tones inspired by sand dunes and Dakar sunsets. Its Grade 5 titanium case, lightweight yet strong, measures 41 millimeters across and just under 15 millimeters thick. The familiar drum-shaped profile, knurled bezels, onion crown, and pump-style pushers remain, unmistakably Chronoswiss. Even with its open-work design, the Dakar edition delivers an impressive 100-meter water resistance, a reminder that this beauty isn't just for display. The dial is a warm composition of brown CVD-coated tones, accented by 4 floating subdials suspended above the movement. At 9 o'clock, the small seconds. At 12, the 30-minute chronograph counter. At 6, the 12-hour register. And at 3, a pointer date ring. Elegant white numerals and brigade-style open-tipped hands contrast beautifully against the mechanical depths below, creating perfect visual balance. Through sapphire crystals front and back, every component of the caliber C741S comes to life. A modified ETA Valjuk 7750, finished with black galvanic bridges, perlage, and a skeletonized CVD-coated rotor. Beating at 28,800 vibrations per hour, it offers a 46-hour power reserve. Completing the look is a sand-colored nubuck leather strap, harmonizing perfectly with the desert aesthetic, sophisticated yet rugged, just like the rally that inspired its name. The Chronoswiss Opus Chronograph Dakar edition retails for 13,900 Swiss franc, and with its combination of technical mastery, heritage design, and adventurous spirit, it's a reminder that timekeeping can still be an art form. This is the Chronoswiss Opus Chronograph Dakar edition, where tradition meets the thrill of exploration.